Hello everyone, let's talk about cross-chain bridges. They're like the interstates of the blockchain world, connecting different networks so you can move your crypto and data around. But just like real-world roads, they come with their own set of challenges and things to watch out for. First, you need to understand the basics. A cross-chain bridge essentially acts as a translator between two blockchains, allowing you to send your tokens or data from one network to another. Think of it like sending a letter to someone in a different country. You need to translate the message so they can understand it. Now here's the deal. Building a cross-chain bridge is like building a really complex bridge. It requires careful planning and execution. You need to consider a bunch of factors like security, compatibility, and scalability. And here's the thing. There are different ways to build a cross-chain bridge. Some bridges are centralized, meaning they rely on a trusted third party to handle transactions. Others are decentralized, using smart contracts to ensure security and transparency. No matter what approach you take, it is important to thoroughly test your bridge, get your bridge audited by independent experts, and build a strong community. Once you're able to take note of that, you'll be on your way to building a bridge that can handle the traffic of the future.